Hello everyone, today we're joining a journey full of color and hope. The journey of small corn kernels, from delicate seedlings to golden ears of corn. It's the hard work and meticulous care of the farmer. With their calloused hands, they nurture each sprout, protect the corn from pests and diseases, sowing hope for a bountiful harvest. And then, when the corn ears ripen with a golden hue, it's a moment of pride, joy, and celebration for the farmer. The sweet reward for their sweat, hard work, and love for the land. The journey begins with small seeds. Each seed holds the promise of a harvest, a dream of prosperity and happiness. After harvesting, the land needs to be cleaned and plowed, preparing for the new season. Every task, every step, carries faith and hope for a bountiful harvest. Tilling the land is hard work, but also requires science and efficiency. Machinery helps farmers prepare the soil, making it soft and ready for the corn to thrive. Straw is used to retain moisture in the soil, helping the corn grow healthy. This resourceful use highlights smart and efficient agricultural practices. Farmers select strong, plump seeds, sowing hope into each plot of land, nurturing every sprout with all their hearts. And so, the young corn seedlings are growing strong, showing the extraordinary viability of corn. Each day, the corn gets taller, greener, and more thriving. It's time to transplant the young corn plants into the field. They are carefully planted into each plot, nurtured with tender care, creating the best conditions for the corn to grow. The young corn plants have grown strong, with lush green leaves and sturdy stems. The corn harvest is on track for success. Farmers never stop working and caring for the corn. Fertilizer is like giving energy to the corn to grow, helping the ears ripen more fully. The harvest is full of challenges. Pests and diseases are one of the greatest threats. Farmers are always alert, checking each corn leaf, looking for pests and diseases, spraying insecticide to protect the crops. Finally, the golden corn ears have come to farmers, the fruit of hard work, persistence, and love for the land. The corn harvest was long and difficult, but in the end, all the hard work has been rewarded. Thank you for following the journey of the corn harvest. Please share this video to spread gratitude for farmers in the bountiful harvest.